Something crazy has just been dropped today. Wall Street just made the entire Palantir community in shambles. It seems like finally Palantir stock will skyrocket even further. You are not quite ready for this. Institutional investors are already positioning, and this will push Palantir to $1 trillion stock. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Palantir is showing who's the real boss of AI stocks today. The price? Still climbing, refusing to go down, even while the rest of the market is struggling and bleeding red. It's like Palantir's in its own world right now, just flexing on everyone. But here's the crazy part. Wall Street just dropped a bombshell for Palantir. One top analyst came out and said it. Palantir is expected to absolutely explode soon. Not just your typical pump, but something way bigger. And the wild thing is, it's already starting. It's almost like things are spiraling out of control, in a good way. Because when you look closely, you'll notice institutional investors and insiders are diving in hard. We're talking serious money being poured in. And not just that. New partnerships keep popping up one after another. It's like everyone wants a piece of Palantir right now. Everyone's fighting for a seat at the table. And this is the catalyst. This is why so many people truly believe Palantir is on its way to becoming $1 trillion stock. It might sound crazy, but at this point, you almost feel like it's inevitable. Like we won't even have to worry about it, just sit back and watch it play out. But hold on. We got to talk about the chart today. Because what's happening with the price action is just as exciting. One analyst broke it down, and the numbers he mentioned? Straight up shocking. He said this setup we're seeing right now could launch Palantir even higher, once it pushes past that all-time high sitting just below the mid-140 range. If that happens, we could be looking at a melt-up all the way toward the mid-160s. And get this, he's talking about a squeeze consolidation setup. That means we've got tight price movement, strong momentum building, and the potential for a massive breakout. It's the kind of thing traders dream of. According to him, long call options for mid-August with a strike in the 150 zone could be golden. And judging by how Palantir's moving right now, he might just be onto something big. The price action, the analysts, the institutions, the partnerships, it's all pointing in one direction, all going up. So what just happened? Well, something massive just dropped. Daniel Ives, that Daniel Ives from Wedbush, one of the biggest names on Wall Street, just doubled down on Palantir. He reiterated his outperform rating and even boosted his price target from the 140 zone to a solid 160. And he's not just throwing numbers around, he backed it with some serious reasons. According to Ives, the current Trump administration is acting like a huge tailwind for Palantir. Why? Because federal AI programs, especially those led by the Department of Defense, are ramping up fast. Projects like Stargate are taking center stage, and guess who's right at the heart of all this? That's right, Palantir. They're not just riding the wave, they are the wave. And that's not all. Ives also points to Palantir's recent NATO contract win as a huge signal. It's proof that Palantir isn't just dominating in the US, it's going global. European governments are jumping on the AI train too, and Palantir's already laying down tracks. Now here's where it gets even juicier. Ives is saying that in this tighter, more disciplined global budget environment, Palantir is perfectly positioned. They're lean, focused, and have exactly what these agencies need: powerful, scalable AI tools that actually solve problems. He even said, and this is wild, that Palantir could become the next Oracle. That's a massive statement. He sees Palantir turning into one of the biggest enterprise software giants in the world. And while the current price might look a bit pumped to some people, he's looking at the long game. He's saying we're just getting started. Oh, and remember, Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, AIP? Ives says that thing alone could pull in over $1 billion a year just from US commercial businesses. And most people aren't even pricing that in yet. They're sleeping on how big this could really be. But wait, here's the crazy part. This is the same analyst who's been shouting from the rooftops that Palantir is headed to a $1 trillion valuation. $1 trillion. He's not just optimistic. He's convinced. And with everything we're seeing now, it doesn't even sound that far-fetched anymore. If he's right, and if this momentum keeps going, Palantir could easily 10x from where it is now. Imagine that. 10 times your investment. That's not a pipe dream anymore. With the growing demand from governments, the commercial side booming, contracts flying in left and right, and Palantir bootcamps speeding up deployments like never before, the stars are literally aligning. And that's why this moment feels different. This isn't just hype. This is real. This is execution, momentum, and belief all coming together. Investors who've been holding Palantir, they're starting to smile. Because the dream, that crazy, ambitious trillion-dollar dream, it might actually come true. And soon. Palantir isn't just soaring, it's positioning itself as the king of AI. And it looks like things might move even faster than we thought, because Palantir just doesn't stop scaling. It's like every week there's a new move, a new deal, a new signal that this company is operating on a whole other level. The latest? A game-changing partnership between Palantir and Tomorrow.io. Now, if you've never heard of them, Tomorrow.io is a full-stack weather company with its own proprietary data straight from space. We're talking next-gen weather intelligence, built with real-time satellite data, AI-powered modeling, and agentic AI. That's artificial intelligence that can actually make decisions and act. The CEO of Tomorrow.io said it best. In the age of AI, whoever owns the data owns the future. And this partnership? It's all about combining Palantir's world-class platforms with Tomorrow.io's weather insights to create automated real-time decision-making tools for everything: defense, aviation, infrastructure, government, and even supply chains. This isn't just a tech collaboration. This is two giants joining forces to deliver real-world impact at global scale. And here's the kicker. Tomorrow.io is now part of Palantir's FedStart program. That means they're fully integrated into Palantir's secure federal ecosystem, fast-tracking their access to U.S. government contracts by running inside Palantir's highly authorized environments. This is huge because it's not just about innovation. It's about execution in highly sensitive and high-stakes sectors like defense and national infrastructure. What does this all mean for Palantir right now? It means their reach just got even bigger. Their influence across government and enterprise is growing faster than most people can keep up with. Every new partnership, every new integration, every expansion of their platform just stacks more value on top of what's already being called one of the most important AI companies in the world. Palantir is no longer just a software company. It's becoming the operating system for AI-driven decision-making on a global scale. So when we talk about trillion-dollar potential, this is why. Deals like this are the blueprint. They're stacking data, influence, and revenue from every direction: space data, AI platforms, federal deals, commercial use cases, layer after layer. As a Palantir investor, it's hard not to feel confident right now. The momentum is real, the partnerships are stacking up, and the company just keeps executing at every level: government, commercial, global. With analysts like Daniel Ives calling for a trillion-dollar future and Palantir locking in deals that push real-world impact, it's clear we're holding something special. This isn't just a stock anymore. It's a movement. And if things keep going the way they are, we might just be witnessing the rise of one of the most important AI companies of our time. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Palantir update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.